Jamaica, 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 yeah.
Look at this, the horse going well.
Moving it, Jamaica, yeah.
She made up for it with back-to-back world titles, going faster each time with a national record of 21.41 seconds, achieved in Budapest last year.
The ultimate final explodes into life. Richardson on the outside. Jackson's going really well in the middle. It's her title, this is her event. Thomas trying to go with her, but it's Shericka Jackson at the moment. Can she hold it? She's storming to victory here. Watch the clock, this is so fast.
I think it was a really pretty good run. I wanted to execute as best as possible, and I think I did that tonight. And I'm so grateful to be standing here, a medalist and a national record, a personal best. I can't complain.
Jackson has posted 5 of the fastest times ever run in the top 10 of the women's 200 meters. An outstanding campaigner, Jackson has a rare hat-trick as the 10th woman in the history of the sport to register times under 11 seconds for the 100 meters, under 22 seconds for the 200 meters, and under 50 seconds for the 400 meters. With 16 medals between the Olympics and the World Championships, including 5 gold, the seasoned campaigner will be looking to add an Olympic 200-meter medal to that impressive collection. The fastest woman alive over the distance was unbeaten over the half lap in 2023, but has had some hiccups in 2024. But that did not stop her from retaining her national crown.
The national record holder, Shericka Jackson, was away well. The world champion will look to spring off the top bend. Thomas and the company look to come forward. Kevona Davis is trying to mount a challenge as well. So too Dejanay Oakley. Shericka Jackson will look to step forward. She's under a bit of pressure, but the reigning world champion retains the local sprint double, and she becomes a 4-time national champion over 200 meters.
Get to achieve great things at the Paris. You have to pass to the championship. The championship is completed 100 and 200 again, so I'm happy.
There was a minor scare at the Istvan July meet in Hungary when Jackson pulled up. However, the assurance coming out of her camp was that she suffered only a minor cramp.
So it's just to fix the P's and the Q's, and we will be ready for Paris.
Gold medalist and world athletics champion, representing Jamaica, Shericka Jackson.
It's a destination. Jamaica.